In this video, we're going to upgrade the head unit in a 2012 Subaru Legacy.
Use this under here to pull it up to get this under. You pop this out, and then all the rest of them kind of pop out.
These clips need to be transferred to the new unit. There's several of them.
Didn't break a one.
The two vents also need to be transferred to the new unit. It helps to push out at the same time.
Gently.
There. It's most of the way.
There, okay.
You transfer that to the new unit. And here's the new head unit, along with its piles of associated wiring.
You have to get a little aggressive with it, I guess.
It's a tight fit. And the other one. I didn't show it, but we had to do a little bit of filing in order to make this fit. But we did get it to fit.
Oop.
You're
Just
off.
the holes. 2 screws.
The capabilities of these modern head units make these older stock units seem crude. We won't even be needing these screws. The replacement new unit is completely snap-in.
Can't see what I'm feeling back here.
This cable is... There are a lot of wiring options and it can be confusing, but there is pretty good tech support.
Every car will be different too.
Right here.
Nope, Delta.
Oh, I can't see. The brown goes to input D, which is auxiliary in.
No, that's power, speakers. Nope.
This is the J connector, power and speakers. There it goes. And we're in. Okay. This is the radio antenna. The labeling of inputs and outputs on this unit is very helpful. That black plug above the power connector is a GPS receiver. Okay, US is from the car. USB is going to that plug. And then that is going to which one on the...
Standby.
Okay, it's going into B. And then this plugs into that. Okay.
Alright, you want to get that unit? There.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay. It's too reflective. Android. Boy, that's kind of, looks nice. Yeah, it's an attractive screen. Very high resolution. I'm not going to get into setting up and operating every feature. We did need tech support to get the steering wheel controls to work, for example. The initial boot up does take a little while. And we're fidgeting with that bezel because it just doesn't quite... Well, it's about 7 months later, and quite happy with the operation of the unit. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.